What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with some good news for you guys who don't want spending gas fees. So long as you have these following exchanges, you're going to be good to go: OKEx and Bybit. But this is a disclaimer: if you're in Nigeria, kindly don't select OKEx because they are soon discontinuing their services in your country. So if you're Nigerian, do not send your dogs tokens to OKEx. Use Bybit or any other exchange that they will be introducing, but do not send your tokens to OKEx. Nigerians, I hope you're hearing, do not send your tokens to this platform because very soon they are going to be discontinuing their services in your country. Another thing is, if you are having two accounts, I know some guys used two accounts when they are farming this airdrop, so make sure you don't submit the same address in both accounts. So if you're going to use Bybit in account A, please don't use Bybit in account B, because they can easily get to know about it. They will see the same address here is the same address here plus the same memo like number. So don't do that for you guys who are farming using both accounts. If you don't have like different exchanges, make sure you leave another airdrop to be claimed through the tone or the tone keeper, and the other account to be claimed through the exchange. So this is what you're going to do. Click here on deposit to exchange, and there are two options. There is exchanges and Telegram, like wallet in Telegram, the inbuilt wallet of Telegram. But the easiest part is selecting exchanges, because this is gas free. They won't charge you gas fees for sending. So click here on continue. Then we have two exchanges. Remember, I said if you're from Nigeria, please do not send your tokens to OKEx. If you're from Nigeria, they are going to remove their services from your country. You better use Bybit. If you don't have the account for Bybit, I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that you sign up and get yourself an account. Make sure you verify the KYC, know your customer documents. So depending on the documents that they will be asking you, make sure you verify your account. So for you guys who are eligible on OKEx, I'm first going to try OKEx. So I'm going to select OKEx. It's the first one selected. Then click on send here. And here they are telling you, do you have an account? If you don't have it, they will tell you to click here and you create one, or else click on yes, I have it. And here they are going to ask you for the OKEx user ID and also the deposit address and memo. So this is how you get them. Let me look for OKEx. This is it. So for the user ID, you click here. You seeing this? Click there and click here. I hope I don't show sensitive information. I'm going to try to cover it. Then copy this, the user ID, copy that, then come back to the program, paste it there, then go and look for the dog's address. So let us click there up on the back icon, again back, then let us click on deposit. This is for OKEx users. Then search for dogs. This is it. Wait for it to load. It's going to be on tone, so you click on tone, click OK, then copy this. Do not highlight, just copy the clipboard buttons, copy that, come back here, paste it. So that's the address. Then they need also the memo. On other platforms they can call it a tag. So go back, then copy this. As you can see here, they call it a comment. So copy that by clicking the clipboard icons. When it's copied, you come here and paste. So this is for OKEx. I'm not going to submit this because I want to claim my tokens on 20th to be in my non-custodial wallet, which is Tonekeeper. On my side, I will be spending gas fees, but for you guys, if you submit such information, it will be gasless. So they will just send these tokens to your OKEx account. This is how OKEx users will be able to send this to the accounts. Now let us go back and select Bybit. So for you guys who are going to be using Bybit, this is how you do it. You select Bybit, then click here, send here, and say yes, I have it. And still they are going to ask for the Bybit user ID, the deposit address, and the memo. Let us go to Bybit here. So I'm going to click here first on home to get the user ID. Then I'm going to click here in the corner, and for Bybit it's here. Copy that, come back here, paste the ID, that's the user ID. Then let us go and get the deposit address. Click the back arrow icon, then you can click here on assets or just click here on deposit. So click on deposit. I'm going to select here deposit crypto, then type here dogs. Press the back button and it's going to be brought here. Then wait for it to load. The network is going to be torn. Then click OK, and here they also give you the address. So copy here the address, go back, paste the address here. Then let us go back and get the memo. The memo is here. As you can see here, they call it a tag or a memo, or they show you different words that they can use: comment, note, remark. So if at all you see it anywhere, don't get confused. They're asking for the memo. So also copy here, go back to the airdrop, paste that, and when it's all submitted, just click on send. Remember, these are gasless transactions, so they won't charge you when the day of the airdrop comes. You will find the tokens on the exchange that you selected here. So that's how you send, like you submit your details to the airdrop. Now for us who have not submitted, on the final day, which is 20th, this option will be active. So for me, I want to claim my tokens to my Tonekeeper. Okay, so this is what they call the non-custodial wallets. These are custodial wallets. They are from the exchange. For the guys who use Telegram wallet, it's just the inbuilt Telegram wallet that we have here on Telegram. You just go copy the address and let's say paste it here. Let me try clicking on continue. Yeah, and they are saying open wallet in Telegram, so it will automatically open up your wallet in Telegram and connect it. I guess these will be gasless, the first two options here. If at all you submit them, the one that they will charge gas fees, it's this when we are claiming to our Tonekeepers. For you guys who have OKEx and Bybit, go ahead and submit your details the way I've shown you and you'll be good to go. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos.